Is disappointed post its numbers that came out close to market close yesterday. We have Mangalam who's joining in with what the brokerage is in fact making of the numbers and that volume disappointment of 4%.
Indeed, Ekta. So a lot of brokerages were indeed disappointed with the kind of performance that took place in HUL's quarterly numbers yesterday. So we have CLSA, which says that the management sounded cautious on the near-term outlook, and most importantly, the pressures were mainly in the soap and oral care segments. Both these segments have been seeing some competitive pressures, so because of which they retain their underperformed rating on the stock. Citi, on the other hand, has continued to wait for a turnaround on the macro level, and they believe that the EPS expectations could be lowered by about 1%. So they've lowered their target price by about 5 rupees as well. Credit Suisse, Goldman Sachs, on the other hand, has been a little more aggressive in cutting their expectations. So they've cut their FY17 to 19 EBIT estimates by almost 1 to 6% to reflect the slower volume growth that came by yesterday. And by doing that, they've also lowered the 12-month price target from 695 to just about 664 rupees. Among the brokerages which were positive on HUL, they have looked at some positive cues coming in from yesterday's results. The first one is Macquarie. They say that while the volume growth has disappointed, the management has reaffirmed the guidance. However, their target price is unchanged at 940 rupees, while CS or Credit Suisse has said that the results have been below estimates, but the announcement of the Assam factory as well as GST going forward could be potential tax triggers for the company. So they too maintain their outperform rating, albeit with a target price of about 930 rupees.
Okay, all right, Mangalam, thanks very much for that. We'll